the milk? Yeah.
Oh shit, okay.
New project car. Carbon hood.
That's the ram. Lock it right. That way a bit.
Oh my god, nice.
I'm sorry.
You got to make it nice.
Yeah, I will. I'll 100%.
Alright, you wanna put it in now?
It's like car, it's lighter.
Don't push it, you don't need to push it, we're gonna chuck that in first.
But this
Oh,
is
you want to chuck it inside?
this is going to be lighter than the EK. That's crazy.
Resting when it was moving.
That's
I wasn't even
crazy.
fucking pushing.
Rest
If
on
you
it?
do, like, once you get the roadie, but then you strip everything
Look!
back.
Oh
you
my
get it
god,
around.
that's
Not even weight
crazy.
too, like, if you make
Might need it though.
Alright, someone push it a bit. we need to pull it back a bit so we can do the ramp.
I think. Yeah. Yeah. I think this one needs to come out more like to us.
Yeah, just a tiny bit.
That one?
Push the bottom part of it out, please. Get that. Alright.
I'm gonna push so it helps the ratchet up.
Nah, no way. No way. Someone's gonna take it off. Someone's gonna take the phone. Oh, seriously.
Nathan, open the door a bit, can't you? That's fine. Just leave it like that.
No, just leave it there.
My mum never showed me. Mum! I thought you two. He got us on film.
Are you ready to go? No, okay.
Yeah, mate, fucking tradie. Fucking cover.
Oh, nice place.
Watch out, dickhead! Watch it! Eep, 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 eep. Eep, eep, eep.
Someone step on dog shit.
I'm good.
So we left his house and we have his camera.
Oh, man.
Hold on! Oh shit!
There's a chair here, what the
What the fuck?
Can we come back and get it?
Put it in. What's it out of?
I don't know. This is a bus.
Oh shit!
So it came out of a fucking bus, bro.
Well, this is the brand new track car of the series. I only bought it for $1,000, pretty much. What's happening with this build? Well, we're going to be tracking it. I just want to kind of get more into the motorsport scene, more into and just improve my driving overall. I'll show you a little bit about it. So it's a white EG4. This. Yeah. I mean, what do you expect for $1,000? I put these seats in, the Ridge Lomax shoes, I think now, or ones, I don't know. Ripped the whole interior out. Well, it came with no interior. My brother decides, yeah, I'ma just use it as a storing bay. Cool. Sad thing is, it is automatic to start off with, so we gotta do all that. Besides that, came with a couple of goodies. Came with a carbon hood. Yeah, it's back to square one on the D series, but it's alright. It's alright. Get it back to its glory days. This car needs a lot of love. It hasn't ran in about 3 years, so we actually have to, you know, see if this engine can run. It does crank. I've been working behind the scenes about it, but we're gonna rip the B series out of the EK. I'll do an update video when that can be fucked doing one. And we're gonna put in the EG. I prefer the EG overall. That's just a personal opinion about the Civics. The EG is one of my favourite, or if not, is my favourite Civics. So, yeah, there's just a little bit of surface rust, but it's alright. It's a freaking track car, it's not meant to be perfect. And, yeah, let's bring it back to its glory days. Hello, Mr. Tristan. What are we doing today?
Oh, sorry. We're doing a blow valve install on the Ford Focus because it 2 bolts fell off.
What he's saying is he actually called me up. I didn't call him up. And he told me, hey Nathan, I need your help with this. So I'm like, oh fine, I'll get out of bed, do it, help you out.
This is not going to be fun. This is not going to be fun.
Yeah, guys, so here we are, yeah. Ogre Motors, we're doing things, making moves. What the fuck is that cunt doing? What an ogre? That's the one Asian diversity hire. He's cool. This one, Uruguayan, irrelevant, no one cares. Move off. This is the sexiest Aboriginal in the world.
What?
Fuck is going on? Is that fucking Gearinge? Who's
Yes, bro. Look at that.
Fuck. And yeah, guys, that's me. Cause
You can flip the screen.
oh shit. This is me, sexiest Lebanese in the world. Master mechanic. Balls and cock, 5.8, soft.
Legitimately, remember one Habib saying, brother, can I use your Bissell? My seats are fucked. And then I was like thinking about it like a couple of days ago. I was like, oh, I should go, oh.
You know what's funny? You might.
Give it to me.
No one's to give you shit, bro. You're gonna eat it.
What did you have this morning?
Ate fucking fruit and then all that shit this morning.
Say it again,
Oats
say it
as
again.
well.
What did you have this morning?
You know what? I'm so thankful I edited my own videos. Because now these bits are gonna get cut of me getting roasted.
Nathan ate fucking brownies and pizza for breakfast. What a fat cunt.
That's alright. I can edit it with me saying I ate fruit and then all that shit this morning.
Say it again,
Oats
say it
as
again.
well.
What'd you eat? What'd you eat?
I ate
Brownies
fruits.
and pizza. What a fat cunt.
I don't know.
Fruits.
Brownies.
I just didn't have anything.
Margarita.
to show.
Meatloaf.
That was meat lovers.
Happened.
Make a little edit with Tristan's head.
I can see his very sexy.
This is why I used the, Thank you.
Oh yeah.
So like it's so much easier playing like fast.
How to install blower valve in that Ford Focus Arius.
He's gonna hit life.
I do mine like that.
I drove here.
Oh yeah.
Yep. Yep.
That's fucking sick.
Tollgate test drive.
Look at that gradient.
Ooh, that looks sick. Bro, you can get another colour. Get another colour on the back.
Oh, it was a new car? Question mark.
Sorry, that's it.
Are you painting an F-150? Question mark.
Oh my god, that's a nice.
Green overspray on the Ford? Question mark.
Darn, let me keep exposing you here.
Hey, stop! What the fuck?
Rally bashing?
Rally bashing? Rally bashing Ford Focus RS?
Rally rash.
Alright guys, you made it to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy, and the plan that we're going to have with this EG Civic. The EG hasn't ran in over 3 years, so there's a little bit of work done towards it, but we're going to beast swap it, and it's going to be the next track car of this channel. I hope you guys enjoy well, not restoring videos, but more of the, you know, us just bringing shitty, you know, abandoned cars that just never really got the love it needed. What we've got with the MX-6 and now what we've got with the EG Civic, which they'll both be like track Toge cars as well, just strictly that. We're not even going to go for like looks. Cosmetics have to help, you know, the performance wise. We don't really care about it looking good, it not, you know. I just really just got this car just to throw the B series in and have fun around the track. You guys enjoy the rest of your day, and yep.